Hige Hero Episode 2 title Cell Phone Release Date and Review. Hige Hero, after being rejected, I saved and took in high school runway, or Hige Hero for short, recently premiered with its debut episode, and it has already captivated a lot with its story in just one episode. Hige Hero Episode 2 titled Cell Phone will be released on April 12, 2021. It is scheduled to release at 10:30 p.m. of Japanese Standard Time. Viewers can watch this series on Crunchyroll, and Premiere subscription user can watch the release of the latest episode on the same day of release. You can also watch this anime on Muse Asia's YouTube channel. In Hige Hero Episode 1 title name, the teenage girl beneath the lamplight introduces us to Yoshida and how he confesses one faithful weekend to his crush named Yari Goto. Yoshida gets rejected and realizes he has been in unrequited love for all those 5 years only to get heartbroken. This led him to drink after work with his colleague Hashimoto. Yoshida decides to head home, and he saw a girl sitting on the side of the street who is also drunk. Her name is Sayu, and she ran from home. Yoshida decided to stay with her and bring her to lodge where they both can spend the remaining night. Yoshida says he wanted a miso soup made by a woman. He is painted with a broken heart even in his sleep. The next day, it was a Sunday morning, and Yoshida woke up to a sumptuous scent of a miso soup. It was made by Sayu. This is how their story begins. With the story of Yoshida and Sayu starting, episode 2 of Hige Hero arrives next week for more of what happens between the two of them and how their uncanny meetup would end up into something more than being two drunken people who met in the night and decided to stay with each other, one with a broken heart and one who ran away from home. In episode 2 of Hige Hero, we may be able to see growing relationship between Yoshida and Sayu. If you have any opinion for episode 2 of this anime series, then please write them in comment section below. I would be pleased to read all of your thoughtful and opinion about this anime series. Thank you.